Hi, in this video, I'll be conducting an electromagnetic radiation test between Prive International's iTeraCare Classic Hot Air Blower and a premium hair dryer brand in the market. To complete this test, I'll be using an electromagnetic radiation detector. Now, first up, let's try the test with the premium hair dryer brand. Alright, switch it on. Then again. Okay, there you go, showing signs of electromagnetic radiation emitted from a premium hair dryer brand in the market. Now, next up, let's try Prive International's iTeraCare Classic Hot Air Blower. Okay, showing no signs of electromagnetic radiation. Now again. Okay, looking good, isn't it? Now, imagine using a premium hair dryer every day and in which it emits electromagnetic radiation on a daily basis versus a hot air blower from Prive International that does not emit any electromagnetic radiation. What would be your choice? It's obvious, isn't it?